The time Rafa spends on his homework each day in term time has a normal distribution with mean 1.9 and standard deviation row hours. You came across information, make a note. Mean is nothing but 1.9, standard deviation is rho. On 80% of these days, he spends more than 1.35 hours on his homework. Find the value of standard deviation. Right? We need to find the value of standard deviation. And what is the given equation? How do I get the given equation? Means by changing this statement into mathematical form, I get the equation, and the equation is C. Given is probability 80%, so 0.8, and here the condition should be more than 1.35 hours. So x more than, so greater than 1.35. Is it clear? Now, in normal distribution, the symbol should always be less than n. Whenever it is less than, then only this will change to phi of n minus mean by standard deviation. Okay, now here the symbol is greater than. To make the symbol less than, you do 1 minus p of x less than 1.35 equal to 0.8. So whenever you are doing 1 minus, the inequality will change its direction. Okay, now take the numbers one side and this to the other side. So what do I get? 1 minus 0.8 equal to, here negative when it gets shifted becomes positive. Now 1 minus 0.8 is 0.2, and here it is less than symbol. So we bring phi into the sum. So phi of 1.35 minus mean, which is 1.9, by standard deviation is unknown. So we simplify this, we get the standard deviation. Now, in simplifying step 1, we have to shift the phi to the other side. When I shift phi to the other side, I get phi inverse of 0.2, and on this side 1.35 minus 1.9 is minus 0.55 by standard deviation. Clear? Now, we have to get this value from the normal distribution table. See, our table starts with 0.5. This is less than 0.5. So to make this value fall or to come more than 0.5, what we should do is, we should do 1 minus 0.2 equal to minus 0.55 by standard deviation. Now, it's a rule, man. Whenever inside you are doing 1 minus, outside you should put a negative sign. This is a rule. Inside you are subtracting, outside put the negative sign. Now, it is minus phi inverse of 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8 equal to 0.55 by standard deviation. Now, cut the negative sign on both sides. You get this value from the normal distribution table. If doubts in finding this value, look at the playlist in the description. Now, this value you should get is 0.842 equal to 0.55 by standard deviation. Now, multiply by standard deviation on both sides. This gets cancelled. You are left with 0.842 standard deviation equal to 0.55. Now to get standard deviation, divide by 0.842. So this gets cancelled. I get standard deviation equal to, put this in the calculator, man. You get it to be 0.653 is our answer. Okay.